This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. So in the last session, we were discuss about list and tuple data structure and its functionalities. And in this session, we'll continue with set and dictionary. First, we'll open your project. Now, so let's start with set data, set data structure and its operations. What is set and how to work with sets? We know the basics of sets only, but the remaining functionalities we'll look into that. So first of all, set is unordered collection of items, unordered collection of elements. Set. List is ordered, string is ordered. Okay, and what is that? List is ordered, string is ordered, tuple is ordered collection. All are ordered collection of elements only. But set is unordered collection of elements. Set is unordered collection of elements. How to create set in Python? We can create set in Python by using flower brackets. Okay, so curly brackets through we can create a set. And set contains unique elements. There is no duplicate. So while working with set, if we try to give duplicate values, so that won't accept. So it won't give any error, simply that will ignore that duplicate elements. Set is unordered collection of unique elements. How to create set means we can create set by using curly brackets. And to create an empty set, we use set function. We cannot create set with empty elements like empty set. We cannot create using empty curly brackets. So set function through we can create empty set only. And set is mutable object. Mutable means we can able to modify that. Anytime we can able to modify. Set is mutable object. Let's look into one's diagram so that you will get clarity here. Now you can see here, this is the set. Okay, this is the set. Set, how to create set using flower brackets. It is ordered collection of elements. No, it is not. Is this mutable? Yes, it is mutable. We can able to modify at any time set values. Immutable? No, it is not immutable. Duplicate values allow? No duplicates. Set don't contain duplicate values. It is completely unique elements. So this is the set related things. Okay. Well, let me create one simple set here. And creating set is there s equals to, this is print s. Print s. And if you want to know what is this type of s, simply type of s I can say it. Type of s. So you can see here type of s. Now you can see dictionary type it is. Class DICT dictionary. It is not a set. Why? Because as I said that if you want to create a set, then we need to use empty set. We need to use set function only, not curly brackets. Okay. Let me use set function. Set function I'm taking here. So once I run this, now you can see set function is through. We can create empty set only. And set with elements I'm preparing. For example, here it is 10, okay, 20, 30, 40, like this. So it is unordered collection of elements. So order is not important. Order will not be displayed also. What order I follow here? 10 to 40. But output is 40, 10, 20, 30, like this only. 40, 10, 20, 30. Got my point? So set will not allow any duplicate values. For example, if I take 10, 10, both 10s are there. Here, first 10, last 10. It won't give any error. Simply it remove duplicate value. Only it will accept only one value, unique value like this. And set contains different data type and values also. Float value is there. Okay. Character value you can include. Integer value you can include, like this. So this is completely unordered. Is not in order. Due to this unordered nature of set, set don't have any index. Got my point? We don't have any indexes on set. So, suppose list is having indexes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because list is not unordered, it is ordered. So whatever the list is created previously, so that location of the items are same. It won't be changed any location. That's what indexes are possible. String also indexes are possible, because once the character is located at 0 index, that is going to be fixed at 0 index only. We can access the characters and elements at any point of time easily. Okay. So set is unordered collection of elements and they don't have any indexes. Why? Because there is no guarantee in 0 index 10 is always available. Sometimes 10 will be go there, third position, fifth position also. Like this third 10 is available here, second, first position, index 1 position. So that's what every time items are going to be change its positions. So it don't have any indexes. Okay, set is don't have any indexes. Now set is mutable. I said no, how to change the set. So there are two functions are there here, add function and update function is there. How list is having append function, extend function, same here, set is having add function, update function. Add is used to add only one item to the set, whereas update is used to add multiple items to the set. If you want to add one value to the set, then we can use add function. At a time, only one value we can add to the set. Or if you want to add multiple values to the set, then we can use update function. Got my point? Yes. Let's see this. Add and update. We'll check it once. Suppose here this is my set, and I want to add one item to this set. To add one item to this set, what we need to do is dot add function I'm taking. 45 value I'm taking. Print yes. But you may get doubt, sir, where this 45 will be added, last or first? Anywhere it can be. The reason is it is unordered. So anywhere it can be displayed. 45. 45 is added. Where? Here it is added. There is no guarantee 45 will be added in the second position only. Anywhere it can be added, I said. But only add method is used to add only one item. There is update method is there. Update method is used to add multiple items to the set. So to add multiple items, then we can use update method. Let's start update of multiple items means compulsory iteration is required, square bracket. So now I'm taking here different values. Like these are the multiple values I'm adding to the set. 3 more values I'm adding to the set. 23 Durga 67.7. But all 3 at one location will not be added. It will be different. So 23 is added here. Durga is added here. 67.7 is added here, like this. So it is completely unordered. To add one item to the set at once, add method. To add multiple item to the set at once, update method. Okay, add method, update method. So this is the how to change the set, how to modify the set, adding the set. But at the same time, not only adding. Mutable means not only adding. If you want, you can also delete the values from the set. So how to remove elements from set? If you want to remove elements from set, we use discard method as well as the remove method. But make sure that both methods are going to remove or delete the values based on item only, based on value only. But what is the difference between this discard and remove? Because there is no indexes. Okay, we have seen on list, in the context of list, we have seen remove method is there, pop method is there. Remove method is used to remove item based on item. Pop method is used to remove based on index at the time of list only. But here discard and remove both are going to remove based on the provided value only, because this set is don't have any index, don't have in index. So difference between remove and discard method I'll show you. But just observe here, I'm trying to remove. First, I'll show you discard method. Discard method, I want to discard 10. So 10 is there in my set. So 10 is going to delete from the set. Discard. 10 is discarded from the set. After discarding, I'm printing this. At the same time, I'm trying to use remove method here. Remove method. Now you can see remove method. Yes, remove method. S dot remove of 10. 10 is removed. Okay. So both are working, no, sir. Remove method is working, discard method is working. Remove method is working, discard method. But what is the difference here? Yes, if the value is present in the set, both discard as well as remove method will delete item. But here you can see this. If the value is not available on set, 100 is there, no? Do you have 100 value in the set? No, there is no 100 value in the set. 100 value is not there. So 100 value is not there. So that's what it is saying. What actually? Key error. Key error, it is there. Key error, 100. So S dot remove of 100, that is key error, 100 value is removed. Trace bar, most recent call is available here. This is. In case if I try to use discard method, you can see you don't get any error. If the value or element is not there in the set also, then it's simply what it will return, same set only, nothing will return. Means none will return. Nothing is happened. Actually, it will return none only. S1 equals to, now you can see print S1, S1. So I'm going to store a deleted value into separate variable. It is going to return none. So this is the difference. But S dot remove is not like that. S dot remove will give errors. Okay. So difference between discard method and remove method is what? Both methods, discard method as well as remove method, will work fine when the value is present on the set. It will delete. But whereas discard method, if the value is not present, discard method will not do any changes, and remove method will give key error. Why? Because in the set, every value is considered as a key only. Every value is considered as a key only. So remove of 10, 10 is going to remove. If there is no 10 key, like if it is 100 is there, now you can see remove of 100 means now key error is there, 100 is there. So this key is not present on the set. You are attempting to remove that. So this is the difference between discard and remove method. So what about clear? Clear method is there. If you want to clear all the elements from the set, means making set as empty, that is clear method. Clear method is used to make set as empty only. How to clear the set only? How to clear the set? To clear the set, we use this one. Simple. S dot clear print yes. But strictly remember, As I said that previously, like to create an empty set, we use set function only, but we cannot use empty curly brackets. So to create an empty set, we should not use empty curly brackets. Set function I have to use. So here I'm saying after clearing elements, what is the result of S? Set function or empty curly brackets? Obviously set function only. After clearing all the elements from the set, empty set how to represent? Using the set function, empty set function. Okay, empty set function through we can represent. S dot clear. Print yes. Okay, clear function will make total set as empty. After making this total set as empty, it represent what actually? Set function. It's not represent empty curly brackets, because empty curly brackets leads to dictionary only. This is clear function on set. Now there are some set operations are there. Mathematical set operations. Union, the symbol is pipe symbol. Intersection, the symbol is and. Is difference, the symbol is minus. Symmetric difference, the symbol is cap. So first we'll look into union. Union will return unique values among multiple sets. So if you have multiple sets, then if you apply on multiple set union, it return unique values from the sets. Okay, generally we can apply union operator. So if you want to filter the unique values from both sets or multiple sets, you can use. For example, I'm taking one A. Set A I'm taking. A is the set. So here in this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values I'm taking. B is another set I'm taking. In this I'm taking 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I'm taking. Print A union B I'm taking. A union B. A union B. Now you can see A union B. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So unique values are not? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is unique. 6, 7, 8 is unique. Again 4, 5 is there, but it is not going to display here, because if I include 4, 5 again, that will be duplicate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 unique values. Union will return unique values. And next, if you want to use this symbol, you can use, or else you can apply this also. Both will work. A dot union of B only. A dot union of B. Once I run this, now you can see A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union of B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B here, A union B like this. A dot union of B only. Got my point? Yes. And intersection is there. Intersection means it return common values from both sets. Okay, it return common values from both. In both sets, what are the common values? Then intersection will return. Intersection means like this, and A and B. And now we can see A dot intersection of B only. A dot intersection of B. Now I can see once I run this, A and B, A dot intersection of B. 4, 5, 4, 5 is available. 4, 5 as well as 4, 5. Print A dot intersection of B only. Print A and B only. Okay, so anyone you can use. Next, difference is there. Minus. Difference means, suppose here A minus B I'm taking. The values which will come from A which are not present in B. Values which will come from A which are present in B. Now we can see this is 1, 2, 3 values are coming. A minus B in this case. But 4, 5, why is it not coming? Because which is present in B only. The values which is only coming from, which is present only from A, which is not which is already again present in B values, it will be ignored, because 4, 5 is already available in B. That will ignore. Only values will come from A only. If I say B comma A, now I can say B comma A I'm taking. So the values which will come from B, okay, and the same values which is already present in A, that will remove. So 4, 5 is already present in A. That will remove. Only 8, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8 like this. This is an order, no problem. So these values, this expression you can also use like this, difference of B also. A dot difference of B. Once I run this, now you can see this is also the same. A dot difference of B. There is symmetric difference is there. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means what? Just observe here. Symmetric difference. A dot, symmetric difference of B only. A dot symmetric difference of B. Once I run this, symmetric difference means only except common values, only unique values will come. A dot symmetric difference of 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Symmetric difference will return only common, except common values, unique values from both sides. But sir, what is the difference between union A dot union of B? Union will not like that. Union will return common values also, but unique values. 4, 5 will be returned. A dot union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are unique values only. But A dot symmetric difference means 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 only. 4, 5 will not be there. 4, 5 again, this is duplicate value, no? Both sets. Symmetric difference will return unique values except common values. And this symmetric difference is also we can use this is symbol through we can use. A cap B I'm taking. A cap B. So print A cap B I'm taking. Now 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 like this. Print A cap B like this. Okay. These are the set operations. In general, we can apply on multiple sets also. And membership test is common, sir. Here. Membership test means whether the value is present on set or not, we can decide. That is membership, sir. For example, I have a set S equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Any elements you can do. I want to check that 100 in S or not. 100 is the value in S I'm saying. 100 value is present in S or not, I want to check. No, it is false. 100 value is not present in S. Suppose 10 in S, yes, 10 is available. 10 is the value which is present in S, it is okay. So that's value is available or not, we can check. Length is common function for all data structures. How many number of elements are present in set, we can find it. So every data structure, we are finding length only. It's a common function for all data structure. Length is 5. And max, min, sum also we discuss at the time of tuple concept. Same here also it will work. Maximum value from the set, minimum value from the set, sum of the values of the sets. Suppose here maximum value here what it is? Obviously 50. Maximum value of the set is 50. Minimum value is what actually? Minimum value. Minimum value is what actually? Minimum value is 10 only. You want to give some of the values, some of the value I'm taking. Some of the value is what actually? 150 only. And while doing sum, you can take any value also. For example, 20 I'm taking. I'm adding additionally some of these values plus 20 only. S comma 20 means S is the sum value result, 20 is added to that result. 150 plus 20 is 770. So these are all set collection. So if you want to maintain the group of values or group of elements, which you don't want to accept any duplicate, unique values, unique collection if you want to maintain, then we can use set. Okay, set values. And also same, if you want to allow modification after maintaining the unique values, then we can go for set. So list is most commonly used data types in Python script because it will allow all options. Like mutable, we can edit, delete, update. We can arrange that into ordered collection. Okay, all operations possible, but no duplicate. Sorry, duplicate values are exist in the list. Tuple also contains duplicate values. There is no chance to maintain unique values in the context of tuple and list only. But in the context of set, yes, we can avoid duplicate values. Only unique values will maintain. This is what set. Now coming to the dictionary here. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a collection of items. And each item can be a pair in dictionary. Pair means two things. One is key and value. Dictionary is a collection of items. In dictionary, each item can be a pair. Each item can be a pair, sir. So pair means key and value pairs are there. Key and value pairs are there. So how to create dictionary? Same as curly brackets. You want to create a dictionary, then we can use curly brackets clearly. And dictionary keys are immutable. Okay, let me show the diagram again. Now you can see this. This is DACT dictionary. How to create dictionary? Curly brackets. So here it is ordered. Dictionary is ordered. No, it is not ordered. It is unordered. Mutable directly. No, we cannot say dictionary is mutable directly. So keys are mutable. Keys are immutable. That's what no. Values are mutable. Yes. Keys are immutable. Yes. Values are immutable. No. So keys only immutable, sir. The reason is keys cannot be modified, but values not mutable. So we can able to modify the values. Duplicate, no duplicate keys. Duplicate values, yes, duplicate values we can give. But duplicate keys are not possible, duplicate values are possible. So this is what dictionary collection is. How to create dictionary, same as this is curly brackets on. Let's see the practical implementation of functions. So how to access values from dictionary? If you want to access values from dictionary, compulsory, you have to use keys, sir. Compulsory, we have to use keys. Let me prepare one dictionary first. D is my dictionary name. This is what actually empty dictionary here. Print type of D, sir. Type of D. Type of D. Now you can see dictionary type it is. DACT dictionary type. D equals to empty curly brackets, print D, print type of D1. And I'm trying to create dictionary with values. Do you think is this dictionary? No, sir, it needs set because only keys are exist. But dictionary means key and value pair, both. So here one key I'm taking, name is Sai. Second key I'm taking, name is Durga. Third key, name is Mohan. So that is two things are there, key and value pair. Then it is exactly dictionary. But my question is, if you want to access values from dictionary, if you want to access this value, compulsory we have to use key called 1. So let's try to access this. Print D of 1. Key I'm passing inside the square bracket. This is one option is there. If you want to access values from the dictionary, this is option number 1. D of 1. Sai is coming. If I say D of 2, I can see print D of 2. D of 2 is what? Durga is there. Suppose there is one more option is there. Print D dot get function is there. Get function. Key is there. So both are working fine now, sir. Yes. D of 2 is working. Durga is coming. D dot get of 1 working. 1 is a key. We are passing to the get function. Sai is coming. But what is the difference between this approach and this approach? See, in this approach, if there is no key, for example, 12 key is there. Are you finding any key called 12? There is no key, so that is wrong key we supplied. When we supply wrong key, then that is called key error only, obviously. This scenario, D of square bracket like 12. 12 is a wrong key. So when we use wrong key, then it will give key error. But same thing if you do like this with get function. Print D dot get of 12 I'm taking. So simply it return what actually none. You don't get any error. So you will get none. That indicates that there is no keys exist in the dictionary only. So any pattern you can use to access values from dictionary. This is the style. Either you can pass the key in square bracket, D of square bracket, or you can pass the key using get function also. No problem at all. Okay. And how to change or add values. You can change or add values also to the dictionary. And before that, I want to tell you clarity here. So the thing is, Sir, key places. Here, what type of values are there? Integer values are there. In key places, float values we can take. Yes, float values we can take. Yes, observe here float values 1.2. In key places, string value we can take. Yes, we can take string value here. Okay. In key places, list value you can take. No, sir, it is not possible. List is another data structure, and that too, list quality is what? List quality is mutable nature. Mutable means modification will allow, but it is the position of dictionary key. But actually, dictionary key can never be modified. No, so it's not possible. Key cannot be modified in dictionary. Key is always immutable only. So you are giving mutable object. You are giving in place of dictionary immutable case. So actually, dictionary keys are immutable. Keys cannot be changed. But you are giving what list? List is a mutable nature. So how we can give mutable nature object as a key? So this is what giving error, unhashable type list only. But whenever I try to give tuple, this is allowed. Why? Because tuple is what? Immutable. And this tuple is acting as key only. Yes, but possible. Now you can see tuple is immutable. That's what. Simple logic I will tell. Here this is the keys are. In dictionary, keys are unique and it is immutable. We cannot change. If you whatever the data structures will follow these rules and regulations, that data structures we can give here in the position of keys. List will not follow that rule. Why? Because list is not mutable. It is immutable. So list can be modified also. If you give the modified data structure which is not modified place like dictionary key, that's not accepted. And values also can be of any type. Like for example, values, dictionary values are there here. Values can be of any type. Suppose here employee ID I'm taking. ID is a key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name. Name. Sai is the name. Like this. Okay. So this is string. This is integer. This is string. This is string like this. So how to change or add values here? Suppose I want to change the name of the employee. So how I can change the name of the employee? D of, again compulsory key is required, equals to, I'm taking what we can say Durga I'm taking. In place of Sai, I'm giving Durga. Then immediately what will happen? Print D. So Durga is located at Sai. Now Sai name is changing because of I clearly mentioned my key only. Dictionary key I take. D of name Durga. Print D like this only. Got my point? Here it is. How to change or add values. And next here, if the key is present, value gets updates. While doing changes the value, we are using key only. If the key is present, value gets update. Simple or not? If the key is not present, then what will happen? For example, here, if the key is not present, age is the key, but there is no age key. Do we have any age key in dictionary? No. In this moment, what will happen? A new key value pair is added to the dictionary. A new key value pair is added to the dictionary. New key value pair is added to the dictionary. If the key is present, value gets updated. If the key is not present, a new key value pair is added to the dictionary. This you have to take care. And how to delete or remove values? Yes, we can delete or remove values also. If you want to delete or name, simple del space D of particular key pair you can upset, you can mention. So del space D of name, in the sense this total key value pair I want to remove. So let's try to remove this. Name key value pair was deleted. Del is a keyword. D is a dictionary. Of name is a key. Print D. So this deleted clear. Got my point? Del space D of name. Print D is coming here. Next, coming to this here. If you want to delete entire the dictionary, yes, we can delete entire the dictionary. Del D means it is going to be delete entire the dictionary only. So name D, D is not defined. Name D, D is what actually not defined. Okay, because why it is, this is error. Dictionary deleted here. After deleting also you are trying to access again dictionary here. That is not correct. After deleting this also we are trying to access this dictionary, so it is not correct, I'm saying. So D is not defined here. So delete or remove values. And copy is there. Copy means what generally? So copy the elements from one value to another value. So you can say D1 equals to D. This is shallow copy. Print D1 I'm taking. So now this time what will happen, you can see D1 equals to D means print D1 means same copy will maintain. But in this situation, if you do modified anything on D1 or D, it will affect on other copies. For example, here D dot, I'm taking D of age equals to 45. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to do on D modification. I'm adding age 45 D, but D1 also will affect here. You can see this is shallow copy. I tried to add age 45 on D only, D of age, but D1 also gets modified. Yes, this is shallow copy. If you want to use deep copy, then copy method you can use. If you use this copy method, what will happen? Only on which dictionary you are doing changes, D dictionary, that changes only affect on D, not D1. Age 45 is affected on D only. It's not changes on D1. Got my point? This is the case. And here items, keys, values, functions are there. Items means key and value pair. One key, one value is called one item. Keys means only keys. Values means values. If you want to retrieve items from the dictionary, you can use items function. Suppose print D dot items. To get values only, then D dot values. To get keys only, print D dot keys. Now you can see D dot items. So what are the items are available? Now observe here. This is original dictionary. ID 1234. Name Sai is there. Dictionary items. ID 1234. Name Sai. Dictionary values are there. Square bracket 1234. Sai. Values only. 1234 Sai. Dictionary keys are there. ID and name. Only dictionary keys, dictionary values, dictionary items we can access by using built-in functions. And coming to the membership test. See, membership test is only applicable on dictionary like keys only, not values. Generally, membership test is easily we can do on list and set and so on. But here in this context, membership test we can apply only on keys, dictionary keys only, not values. Okay, key is there or not we can check, but value is there or not we cannot check. So just observe here, membership test I'm taking. So ID in D, ID is a key, sir, in this case. This key is there or not? Yes, it is there. Yes, true. Employee ID, it's not there. So obviously false. Suppose here I'm taking 1234. 1234 is what actually in the dictionary? Value. But can you check value is there or not? No. The only membership test is applicable for dictionary on keys only, not for values. Yes, this value is there here, but it is not value. It is not key. It is value. But this here it is act as a key only. Always it will check this 1234 key is available or not. It will check. That's what it is called. So normally membership test we can apply on list and string and also that is possible. But membership test we can only apply on dictionary keys only, not for values. Got my point? Yes. And length of dictionary, it is also common. How many values are present in dictionary, we can check. That is length of the dictionary. Print length of N, length of D, length of D, print length of D. So length of D means dictionary length is 2 only. This is one item, this is second item. Two items are there, total length is. And there are two important methods are there. Pop method, pop item is there. So what is this POP? Pop items. So for example, let's give age. Age is 34. So pop method is used to remove, okay, D dot pop of what key value pair if you want to remove, you can supply the key name, key value, key only. whatever you supply that key value pair will be removed from the dictionary. Now you can see name I mentioned, d dot pop of name. Pop method will expect a key. You can see when we open the bracket, it is expecting key only. Now you can see this is key only. You have to supply the key. Which key value pair is you want to delete. So I'm providing pop of name key value pair I want to delete, then I can delete. But pop item is there. You can see pop item. And the speciality is which key value pair is also deleted, it return. Okay, this return type you can see D1 I'm saying. Print D1. After that, print D only. Print D. So pop method speciality is what actually, which item is removed from dictionary also, that will return. So this will return into this one only, D1. I want to show you what it return type. So d dot pop of name means you are deleting psi value. That psi value also will be stored into separate variable, like it return. This pop method will return deleted value also. After deleting, we are printing like this. Pop item is there. Pop item in the sense it will expect key and value pairs. Sorry, it will not accept any key, only nothing. You can see this. Pop item is not expecting anything. Okay, what it will do by default, this will remove arbitrary item from the dictionary. Arbitrary item in the sense, what is the last item placed in dictionary? By default, last item only every time. Age. That item also will be written. Which item is removing from dictionary? This item D1 is nothing but this one. This item is removed from dictionary. After removing, YD 1, 2, 3, 4 names I like this one. Okay. Please wait a minute. Please hold on here. So these are the wait. I cannot add your number, not required number actually. I will send WhatsApp link to your mail and you can accept that. Automatically you can able to join in that group. So I sent to you all WhatsApp group link, no? If not, then I'll resend again from now after class.
Okay, sir.
I'll send once again. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is pop item. Pop item can remove the. Yeah, I'll send to you all of them. So I have your mail IDs. So you can check your mails. You can automatically click the link. I will invite a link through. Then you can able to join in our WhatsApp group. So your pop item is there. Pop item can remove arbitrary item. It means automatically last item what it is there, that it will going to delete from the dictionary. So these are all dictionary functions what we have clearly. And in next session tomorrow we'll talk about byte array frozen set. I said in the previous examples, byte array frozen set also data structures, but it's not right situation to discuss, I said at the time of basics of data structure. Now this is the situation. We'll discuss byte array frozen set in tomorrow's session. After completion of this discussion, we will move to functions in Python programming. But before that, I said in the last session, that is one task I have given. So what is the task? If you did, you can place your task code in chat box so that I'll explain, or else I will write code here. what I said here, you can see L equals to list you can take. Let's wantedly you can take duplicate values like this. Okay, like this. This is the duplicate values. I want to filter these duplicate values, means only original one. Yes, exactly here. I'll send to you all. Okay, you can check your mails. Is that correct mails or not? So daily you are receiving the videos, no? So that mails I'll send to WhatsApp group link. These mails. Check it once. All mails are correct, then I'll send it. I'll send to you link all mails once today after finishing the class. Within 5 minutes you can check. So you can accept, you can able to join that group also. No problem. So now, yeah, someone is written code. Yes, Sweta, you right. That is correct, which I expect same code. No need to give the number. It's not required number. Only if if I have your mail ID, then that is okay. I'll share the mail through. Now, here you can see this is the list. Yes, this is what same expecting what I'm going to write the code. So you can take new list here. Okay, result list. Result list is separately this is. And for I in L means 1 in L. 1 in L. Yes, 1 is there in L. It is there? Yes. If I not in result means what? This one value not in result, then we can append. What value? Result dot append of I value. One will be added to the new list only. Next iteration, if 2 in L. If 2 not in result, yes, 2 is not there, you can append. Third, 1 not in result. Yes, it is already 1 is there, don't append. So like this, it will be simply you can able to handle. This is one thing. Okay, another style also there. I don't expect that style. So this is only expected, very good. This is fine. Every time we are checking that I value is present in L or not. If that I is not in present in result list, then you can append it. Otherwise, you can ignore. This is simple if else condition for loop condition. Okay. So another style is there. Same list example. We can convert that into using set option. For example, here list. I'm converting L1 is a new list. Set conversion I'm taking. Set will do what? It will simply ignore what? All duplicate values or not. Set is unique values. This is also simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually, this is set. You can convert this set into list only again. Okay, you can convert this set into list. So how to convert this set? L1 is a set only. Or else you can take S. S is a set only. I want to convert this S into L1 list. L1 equals to set list of list of list of list of S only. Print L1. Now this time list type only complete. This is also simple. But this I don't expect. Okay, this is very easy. I ask you this only. So we got it. So next what I'm giving today task is just observe here. Today task I'm giving. Take two lists. Okay, so two lists L1, 1, 2, 3 like this. L2 names you can take Sai, Ram, okay, Raj like this. And by using these two lists, you can create dictionary. How to create dictionary? First, list one values consider as a keys. List two values consider as a keys. The result should be like dictionary only. How it is output? That is 1 colon Sai. Okay, 2 colon Ram. Then 3 colon Raj. This result I want to get. Try to find from your side. If not, I'll tell you in tomorrow session. Take two lists, whereas first list is considered as a keys. Second list values are considered as a values, and arrange them or mapping them using dictionary concept. This is dictionary. 1 Sai, 2 Ram, 3 Raj. Mapping is there. So this is today task here. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss clearly. That's all.